Statistically, Asians are the slimmest people on earth. That's genetic, you will say, but that's only partly right. Traditions and habit also play a big part in staying fit. Today's video will discuss 9 secrets that help Asians stay in shape without strict diet or exhausting exercises. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. Portion size. As a rule, Asians prefer to eat small portions. They like to choose from a variety of dishes and try several of them during the same meal. Studies confirm that even a small portion reductions can lead to weight loss. 2. Cooking methods. Ethnic cuisines restaurants adapt their dishes to the tastes of a local population, so it may seem that their dishes are almost always deep-fried. That's not exactly the truth. Asian cuisine surely has plenty of fried food, but that's not the most popular method of cooking. Many recipes including steaming or boiling. The main thing is to stay within limits. 3. Fermented foods. Miso soup, kimchi, nacho, soybean. These are just a few typical Asian fermented foods. Being product of lacto-fermentation, these foods act as natural probiotics. Their consumption contributes to weight loss, especially the loss of visceral fat, which accumulates around the abdominal organs. 4. Seafood. Asian cuisine is difficult to imagine without fish and seafood, which contains polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acids. In addition to their beneficial effect on the immune, muscular, and reproductive system, omega-3 contribute to weight loss. 5. Loss of greens. As mentioned, Asian dishes are rarely served in large portions, but this doesn't apply to vegetables, especially green vegetables. They are eaten in substantial amounts. Another important difference is the taste. Western vegetable dishes often seem bland to Asian palates. 6. Healthy dessert and snacks. In Asia, a wide popularity is enjoyed by sweet and snack based on rice, seaweed, and red beans, as well as nuts, seeds, and fruit. These delicacies are undoubtedly much healthier than the chips, cookies, and cake we are familiar with. 7. Walking. Surprisingly, this habit is related to high population density. Residents of large cities use public transport instead of cars. They also live in small apartments in areas where shops, laundries, and other public places are located within walking distance. Because of that, a typical Asian walks a longer distance in a day than an American who usually gets around by car. 8. Exercise and meditation. Meditations, Tai Chi, and other activities are widely practiced in Asia to prevent the development of certain diseases including obesity. 9. A 1-minute exercise to give you a flat belly. All you need is a surface you can lean on, such as table, and 1 minute of free time. How to do it? Stand with your back to the table, strengthen your shoulders and raise your chin, then raise your hands and start to reach up, alternating your right and left hand. Make 4 repetitions with each hand. Turn your torso to the right and touch the table with your hands. Repeat the same with the left side. Do this exercise every day for 1 minute and you will notice the first result in as little as a week. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.